This dance is called Same Questions. It's a 32 count, 4 walls, and there are 3 restarts in this dance. Let me show you section 1. Starting with your right foot, walk right, walk left, forward shuffle, rock left, recover, back shuffle. Section 1 with the count 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, reverse rocking chair with your right. Rock, recover, forward, recover. Make a quarter turn to your right with your right foot. Point left to the side, step left forward, point right to the side. Section 2 with the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, jazz box with a cross. Cross, back, side, cross. Diagonal right, touch, left, and diagonal left, touch, right. Section 3 with a count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, reverse rumba box with shuffle. Side together, back together, back, side together, forward together, forward. Last section with the count 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's the end of 32 count. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you finish the dance here, facing 3 o'clock for wall 2. So in this dance, wall 2, there is a restart after 16 count. Let me show you wall 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 16 count of wall 2. And you restart here, facing 6 o'clock for wall 3. In this dance, there is also another restart, wall 5 after 16 count. So wall 5, you'll be facing 12 o'clock. Let me show you wall 5 with the restart. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 16 count during wall 5. And you restart for wall 6, facing 3 o'clock. In this dance, there is also another restart during wall 10, but it's 20 count. So let me show you wall 10. Wall 10, you'll be facing 3 o'clock. And we do wall 10 here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the end of 20 count of wall 10. And you restart the dance from here.